Today's editorial is a light touch. Problematic contents abounds in the digital space, but regulation must be sagacious. The government has in recent days twice signaled the more rules to tackle the problems of unlawful content and harm causing disinformation. Disinformation to in the digital media space are in the offing. On Monday, in the affidavit filed in the case of involving Sudarshan TV, responding to the Supreme Court's call for suggestions to improve the self-regularity mechanism for electronic media, the center said that the regulation of the web-based digital media is the need of the hour. Instead, without any checks, it told the court digital media can spread venomous hatred, terror, and violence. On the same day, the Minister State of Electronics IT Sanjay Dhotri said in the written reply to the Lok Sabha that his ministry is working to emit the information technology intermediaries guidelines rules 2011 to make intermediaries more responsive and accountable. It is difficult to disagree with the view that the internet is a space where finding truthful facts can be often challenging, and that polarizing opinions, hate speech, and disinformation abound. Many lives have been lost to such disinformation fueled violence in India in recent years. But it is also difficult to agree that with the view of more rules are an answer to an age-old problem, only now amplified by technology-based platforms. The more regulation will solve this fanciful idea. For one, the laws to tackle incendiary contempt and the hate speech that fuels violence are already in a place. What is seen lacking is a will of uniformly apply these rules, irrespective of political affiliations. The flip side is that the net is a place where there is a free sharing of information and ideas. So the question worth asking is if it is possible to ever regulate the internet without throttling like China has done. The fear has bringing more rules in euphemism. The censorship cannot be brushed away. These questions are all the more important. More important because there has been a wave of investments that the digital news media space in recent years. A large number of these media sites and magazines pursue legitimate journalism initiatives which not only have the proper mechanisms to deliver quality but also operate with a high degree accountability. Attempts at making new rules for intermediaries such as Google and Facebook need to be well thought out and measured. Earlier attempts at imposing a high degree or liability on them for content posted of their platforms have not survived legal scrutiny, with Section 79 of the IT Act 2000 given them some immunity in this regard. At intervention that is the light and well consider it what will be work. So this is our today's editorial. Thank you.